Good day. Today we're going to talk about graphing linear equation using slope and 1 point. Actually, there are 4 methods of graphing linear equation, which are using 2 points, using x and y intercept, using slope and y intercept, and using a slope and a point. This is our topic to be discussed now. Okay, I have here a problem, graph the equation of the line with a given slope and a point. Okay, this is our slope, this is our point. So in this case, in graphing this one, you have to plot first the point. Okay, this is for x, this is y. So 1 for x and -5 for y. So this is the first point. Then the next one is our slope. Our slope is 3, which means it is 3 for rise, 1 for run. Okay. So from this point, we will go upward 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, then run 1. So this is the point. Second point. Why we turn right? Because our slope is positive. So to connect that one, that will be our graph on that given slope and a point. Second, the slope is -2 and the point is 2 and 4. This is our x, this is our y. So 2 for x, 4 for y. So this is the first point. Then our slope is 2, -2, or that is 2 over 1, negative. Okay, from that, we will count 2 steps upward. 1, 2. This is negative, so we will turn right 1 step or run 1. So this is the second point. To connect that one, that will be our graph on this given slope and point. Okay, next, number 3. The given is slope equals to -1/2 and a point 0 and 4. This is our x, this is our y. Okay, so 0 for x, 4 for y, this one. Then our rise is 1 step, 1. Then our run is 2 to the left because it is negative. So 1 and 2. So this is the second point. To connect, that will be our graph for number 3. Number 4. Okay, the given is slope equals to 3 over 3 halves and the point 2 and -3. This is our x, this is our y. +2 for x, then -3 for y. Okay, this is the one. Then our rise is 3, so we will count 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Then positive, run is 2, so to the right. 1, 2. So this is the second point. To connect, that will be our graph on that given. Okay, last one. The graph equation of the line with given slope and a point m equals to -5 over 3 and a point 0 and -3. This is our x, this is our y. Okay, so 0 and -3 is 1. Then how many rise is 5, so we'll count 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the run is 3, negative, so we'll turn 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. So this is the one. This is the second point. Second point. To connect that one, that will be our graph for number 4. Okay? Okay. That's the 5 examples for graphing slope and a point. I hope this video is a useful one for all of you who are seeking for the solution of your problem regarding graphing. So as I said, there are 4 graphing methods of the linear equation. So I hope you saw that 4 videos of mine, and thank you for watching this. God bless and thank you. Good day.